Hey guys, I hope you had a really great Thanksgiving yesterday. You'll have to excuse my voice. I'm trying to get over a holiday cold, but I wanted to pop on real quick and talk about the Instant Pot Black Friday deals going on right now. It looks like on Amazon, the big deal of the day is the Duo 8 quart on sale for $64.99, which is a really great price for that size. They also have the Ultra on sale, the 6 quart and the 8 quart Ultra on sale, $94.99 and $81.99 for those. They also have quite a few different accessories on sale. Instant Pot has started making their own accessories like a stainless steel basket and silicone pans and different things. So there's several of those things on sale as well. Oh, I just noticed that the Ultra Mini is also down here on sale for $74.99. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of the Ultra series, and for the price, I would definitely go for just the basic Duo. And if you are looking to upgrade from the basic Duo, the Duo Evo Plus is my choice for an upgrade, and I was hoping that that would be a Black Friday deal, but maybe it'll come later on that they'll put that one on special. Oftentimes, they'll add in a few extra deals here and there during the week of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and then they'll have another big special on Cyber Monday. And even though it's not on this page, they also have the Instant Pot Duo 6 quart on sale for $49, and I think they have that price to match or a little bit beat Walmart's price because they're having the 6 quart on sale, I think for $49.95. But I also wanted to mention that at Walmart.com, they have a couple of the Instant Pot air fryers on sale. They have the Instant Vortex air fryer oven, 10 quart for $79.99, and then they have the 6 quart Vortex, like the drawer style, for $49, which are a really good price for those two air fryers. And then you can see over here, oh, they do have it for $49 even. So Amazon matched their price for the 6 quart Duo. So those are the deals I wanted to share today. I'll put links down below in the description box. And if I see any new amazing deals pop up, I will definitely hop on again and let you know about those. Hope you guys are having a great Black Friday, and I will talk to you again in the next video.